Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on March 7th and 8th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Cereal Day. National Cereal Day, celebrated on March 7th, is a fun and delightful holiday dedicated to one of the most popular breakfast foods around the world, cereal. This day celebrates the wide variety of cereals available, from the sweet and colorful to the whole grain and nutritious, highlighting the role cereal plays in kickstarting our days with a convenient and often delicious meal. Originating as a simple, health-focused food in the late 19th century, cereal has evolved into a vast industry with options catering to every taste and dietary need. National Cereal Day is an opportunity for cereal lovers to indulge in their favorite bowls, reminisce about childhood favorites, and perhaps discover new varieties. Celebrations of National Cereal Day can be as simple as enjoying a special bowl of your favorite cereal, or as elaborate as hosting cereal-themed parties where guests can mix and match different cereals and toppings. Schools and workplaces might participate by organizing cereal breakfast events, encouraging a communal start to the day with an array of cereal options. The day also sees brands and grocery stores offering special promotions and engaging in social media campaigns to share fun facts, recipes, and nostalgic nods to cereals that have become cultural icons. Whether it's through a bowl of nostalgic childhood favorite or a new, health-conscious blend, National Cereal Day embraces the joy and simplicity cereal brings to our daily routines. Plant Power Day. Plant Power Day, celebrated on March 7th, is a day dedicated to highlighting the benefits and joys of plant-based eating. This day encourages individuals to explore the vast array of plant-based foods available, from fruits and vegetables to grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. The purpose of Plant Power Day is to raise awareness about the environmental, health, and ethical benefits of incorporating more plant-based foods into our diets. By focusing on plant-based nutrition, this day aims to inspire people to make more sustainable and compassionate food choices, even if it's just for one day. Celebrating Plant Power Day can involve a variety of activities, such as preparing and sharing plant-based meals, participating in cooking workshops focused on plant-based recipes, or attending educational events about the environmental impact of food choices. It's a great opportunity for restaurants, cafes, and food brands to showcase their plant-based offerings and for communities to come together in farmers markets or potlucks featuring plant-based dishes. Social media platforms often buzz with #PlantPowerDay, sharing recipes, success stories of transitioning to plant-based diets, and the positive impact such choices can have on personal health and the planet. Plant Power Day is not just for those already following a plant-based lifestyle but for anyone interested in exploring how adding more plant-based foods to their diet can be beneficial and enjoyable. National Be Heard Day. National Be Heard Day, celebrated on March 7th, is a day dedicated to empowering small businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals striving to make their voices heard in a crowded and competitive marketplace. The holiday encourages these entities to assert their presence, share their unique value propositions, and break through the noise to reach their target audiences effectively. It's a day that acknowledges the challenges faced by smaller players in various industries and offers a reminder that innovative ideas, quality services, and passionate storytelling can indeed make an impact. National Be Heard Day serves as an inspiration for small businesses to embrace creative marketing strategies, leverage social media platforms, and engage with their communities to amplify their messages. The celebration of National Be Heard Day can involve a range of activities aimed at boosting visibility and engagement for small businesses. This might include hosting workshops on effective marketing techniques, networking events that provide opportunities for collaboration and support, or online campaigns that highlight success stories and impactful strategies. It's also a day for individuals to support their favorite local businesses by promoting them on social media, leaving positive reviews, and encouraging friends and family to patronize these establishments. National Be Heard Day is a call to action for small businesses to assert their presence boldly and for consumers to acknowledge and support the invaluable contributions these businesses make to their communities and economies. International Women's Day. International Women's Day, celebrated on March 8th, is a global day recognizing the social, economic, cultural, and political achievements of women. The day also marks a call to action for accelerating gender parity. International Women's Day has been observed since the early 1900s, a time of great expansion and turbulence in the industrialized world that saw booming population growth and the rise of radical ideologies. It's a day to celebrate the significant contributions women have made to society while also acknowledging the challenges and discrimination they continue to face worldwide. The day encourages reflection, advocacy, and action towards gender equality and women's rights. Celebrations and observances of International Women's Day vary globally but often include marches, rallies, conferences, and discussions that focus on women's rights and achievements. Many organizations, from governments to nonprofits, host events that highlight issues such as gender equality, reproductive rights, violence against women, and women's economic independence. It's also a day for storytelling, with media and educational institutions showcasing the stories of influential women and unsung heroines who have made a difference in their communities and beyond. International Women's Day serves as a reminder of the ongoing struggle for equality and the work still needed to ensure that women's rights are recognized and protected in every corner of the world. National Peanut Cluster Day. National Peanut Cluster Day, celebrated on March 8, is a sweet holiday dedicated to the delightful combination of peanuts and chocolate. Peanut clusters, a simple yet beloved confection, consist of peanuts coated in melted chocolate that hardens into bite-sized morsels of crunchy, nutty goodness. This day is an ode to the timeless appeal of peanut clusters, which have been a staple treat in candy stores and households for generations. The holiday invites enthusiasts and sweet tooths alike to indulge in this classic snack, perhaps even experimenting with making their own peanut clusters at home using various types of chocolate and peanuts to suit their taste preferences. The celebration of National Peanut Cluster Day can involve activities such as chocolate-making workshops focusing on peanut clusters, special promotions or tastings at confectionaries and sweet shops, and sharing beloved family recipes that feature this treat. It's also a day for culinary creativity, encouraging people to explore new twists on the traditional peanut cluster, such as adding sea salt, drizzling with caramel, or incorporating different types of nuts for a varied texture. Whether enjoyed as a homemade batch shared with friends and family or as a store-bought treat savored in solitude, National Peanut Cluster Day is a tribute to the simple pleasures that come from the perfect marriage of chocolate and peanuts. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.